Yeah, people, for the brand there. Or the brand there. Brand said Thai Express.
Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our
Yeah, I eat some shrimp. Shrimp on fried rice.
Clark, by the way, is also a city.
Shrimp on fried rice, no? Oh, no, I've got shrimp in a box. Yeah, people, so. Shrimp on fried rice in one box. I think I never see that before. But I saw them do it over them side of the world. Like a Chinese thing, you know? Food in a small box. Much different from the regular food box. I told enough as it look like a seat there, you know, well enough for people. I was just there at the airport to go and eat some food before I go up on the flight. That was it.
There's so many things I mentioned to you before, right?
With the food at 10 out of 10. Or Rastaman style. Seafood style.
You know, like I think Chef Sal
Yeah, people. It's a good look.
bunch of stuff around that, highlighting why it's important to have that diversity together, and then obviously, you know, that one client who's based in actually in everything residence. So, like that's all. I'm not sure at the end of the day whether
I want to see what I want, people. Thai Express them behind me. Now we have what? We have a strawberry drinks about it. Duh. Okay, I eat the food and have nothing for drink afterwards. You know.
So obviously it's a good connection. But she doesn't.
Yeah, people, shrimp.
So I think she can.
Shrimp, but don't drop the spicy and thing, you know?
Well, I think she can. I think what she's hoping, I think what she's happy to do is really, you know, like behind the scenes, Prime Minister. It's just that optically.
Yeah, people, so that is it, you know? Food no more, you know? See there? Don't drop. Thai Express did it. We ever done up there. They call it kiwi. We call it strawberry. Yeah, people. So that is it. Fried rice. Fried rice with a little bit of pine in it. And the shrimp. I don't know. Kiwi juice, otherwise known as strawberry. Kiwi and strawberry mixed together, people. But you can try it out. I don't know which part else in the world it there. I don't say it there, I say in Canada. See it, but to the one taste like the eye cool. The pink eye cooler. Kind of have the taste there. But it's bad people, no joke. This little box here, people. Cost 18 Canadian dollar. 18 Canadian dollar, people. No joke. This little thing in a little box here. 18 Canadian dollar. So I want to do the maths. It's not cheap. Yeah, people, so patient they are here for flying now. So for us go and look and wait till time arrive.
And it's a good look. It's a good look.